What makes Louise a hero? Tireless, selfless, giving, all of those attributes. Compassion, caring. Louise is very good at motivating people, and she's also very good with people.
I think what she's achieved in terms of bringing people together, organising events, organising different kinds of activities throughout the garden, connecting to other groups in the area, I just think it's fantastic what she's achieved.
I wanted to get myself involved very much more into the community, and really what triggered it was my mum was not well, so I needed to give myself some time out and a bit of therapy, and it was just the perfect solution at the time.